Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name's Joanne and I make cleaning and organisation videos. And in today's video I'm going to be doing both those things. I'm going to be cleaning up a couple of areas of my house and also organising a couple of areas as well. So I'm starting off with actually showing you some organisation of some of the drawers in my kitchen. So I'm just going through and tidying up, decluttering, putting away the things that I don't need, and just rearranging things to make it a bit more functional. So to make sure everything gets nice and clean, I'm just moving everything off the counter and make it completely clear so I can go in and give everything a really good clean with all-purpose cleaner and a microfiber cloth. I always like to start off by actually just wiping down the counter with a damp cloth just to pick up any food residue or dust and debris, just so I don't actually get that cleaning cloth dirty, and then I go in with that all-purpose cleaner and the microfiber cloth. To clean that backsplash, I'm just using that same microfiber cloth, but I've sprayed a solution of 50-50 vinegar and water, and that's really great to use on any glass, windows, mirrors, any of those types of surfaces, or even stainless steel. I use it on my fridge as well, and that just gives it a really nice clean and streak-free shine. regular mop that's filled with warm water and a floor cleaning solution, but I've actually since purchased a vacuum mop, and that's the Timco Floor One S3 vacuum mop, and I love that because it's just really easy to use. There's lots of benefits to it. I've actually done a full video on it if you want to go check that out. I'll link that up above and also down in the description box below. So because I sorted out the cupboards and drawers at the start of the video, I didn't get a chance to clean the stairs, but I did get to sorting out the presents. I just forgot to tick it off my list. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this gave you some motivation to clean and organise some areas in your home, and I'll see you next time.